it's always fun to get stuff done on the car. And this weekend, the projects are installing the heater, waterproofing, and getting the lights inside the Alu-Cab connected. Right now, we'll call it a night, and I'll just show you some parts from today, and then see you tomorrow. Well, it's now the next day and our project got a little bit interrupted. Yesterday we realized that we need to go out and buy some stuff, and today is an off-roading day at our off-road club. So we thought, why not take a detour, go off-roading for some hours on our way to buy the stuff we need. Okay, that was fun. Now let's get back to the projects in there. Is it working?
It should be. Will we?
Thanks for using. I wish you a safe journey.
Wish you a safe journey, thank you.
Start heating.
What did it say, starting?
Start heating.
Start heating. Well, it's working.
It's blowing. It's blowing. Blowing cold air.
Cold, yeah, I don't know. But it's alive. Well, what a productive and fun weekend this has been. We got it all done and we took some time to go off-roading. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.